One more time, Jen Blue is giving me the blues. I think it's time to put it to rest and go on and give me that new one. You know, the
Go apart. When they go right here. Stay right here, right?
no, that's gonna break my film.
Put this.
Put
Yeah,
the
that's it.
kickstand down.
Yeah.
Time for me to go on and get that 2026.
I didn't know you was a comedian.
Oh, that 2025. What do y'all think? Think Rich should give me that early Christmas, early birthday?
If that's
Early
the case,
anniversary.
it might be 2027.
Well, 2027, either way it goes.
Psych.
The JetBlue don't want to go off.
Well, one thing we do know, Kake, is never the engine. Y'all better look at Gold Wings. We never have engine problems.
My tires.
What?
Always my tires.
Well, look, I guess the good thing is it wasn't a hole because we couldn't find a hole to patch it. And it better be free. Free. All right, y'all. Wanted to give y'all a quick update. What time you got, baby? 9:37 p.m. Dark. Well, it's supposed to be dark. We got the camera on night mode, so. Yep, now we got to deal with the people tomorrow and see if they're going to act a fool like it's not their fault. So if you see a video, Kake bailing me out, I mean I beat the poop out somebody.
What's your name? Jesus?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, Jesus. I appreciate it. Got JetBlue here last night, as y'all saw. And it's ready down. Came in and let them know what the problem was. And then JetBlue,
How much they charge you?
$0.
Meaning what?
Free.
Better be. They mistake.
Hey, somebody said that if you broke, you shouldn't think that it's funny. If you laugh and you get judged, I keep. This ain't no contest. Run my own race. I ain't no rat. This ain't no confidence.
As you guys can see, we are back on the road. Kake got our tire all fixed up. We ready to roll. Back doing what we love. Coming to a town near you. What's up, everybody? We are done for the night. We are checking into a Super 8 today. We are in Elko, Nevada, which was only about, let's see how many miles today. 533 miles. We was gonna knock down 700, but it's getting late, and we had a late start this morning. We didn't leave at motorcycle time like we was planning to leave. But tomorrow, I think we have 1,100 miles to go before we reach Stevie Fo and that great couple that helped us out, live in Lincoln, Nebraska. We're going to be calling them and letting them know about what time we're going to get in. So it should take us 1.5 days because we're going to knock out some miles tomorrow. What's that? Airport around here somewhere. Knock out some more miles tomorrow and then pull in Friday, probably Friday morning. I don't know. And then Bubbles will be back with Cake. She'll be happy and stop crying. I want to thank you all for all the prayers and well wishes when we was on the side of the road with that valve stem problem. Of course, now you know, you probably seen the video already that there's a new valve stem and we rolled it. We back to doing what we love the most, being out on the road. Hope we come to a town near you. We're gonna lay our head down, get some rest, and leave that motorcycle time tomorrow.